thought Apple's new in-house N1 wireless chip was a risky move, think again, because the first real-world results are here, and they're an absolute smackdown. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. A fresh report from network guru Ookla shows that the iPhone 17's N1 chip isn't just an upgrade, it's a rocket strapped to your Wi-Fi. Using 6 weeks of global speed test intelligence data, Ookla found that Apple's homegrown silicone delivers up to 40% faster download and upload speeds than the Broadcom-powered iPhone 16 lineup. For anyone who's ever watched a video buffer on a brand new phone, that's the kind of leap that actually matters. And here's where it gets more impressive. The N1 doesn't just boost top speeds, it even removes the worst speeds too. In tough Wi-Fi conditions, the iPhone 17 showed up to 60% faster performance at the 10th percentile, meaning Apple didn't just raise the ceiling, it raised the floor too. In easy words, bad Wi-Fi will feel less bad. This is especially shocking because on paper, the N1 chip didn't look like a game changer. Sure, it packs Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, but some Android phones support wider 320 MHz Wi-Fi channels, while the iPhone's N1 chip tops out at 160 MHz, but Ookla says this doesn't matter much because very few people have 320 MHz capable routers anyway. Even so, the iPhone 17 still hit 416.14 Mbps median download speeds in North America, beating the Pixel 10 Pro and staying near the top worldwide. All in all, Apple's new N1 chip was a smart move, and it's performing like a winner already. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.